Hello everyone, welcome to Cadd. In this video, I'll show you about how to create the designs using modifiers, that is FFD. Using FFD, how can you design these models? So first, I'll take one box for the reference. Here we have different types of FFDs. Okay, when you click on modifiers, here you'll get the modifier list option. In this, type as FFD. So here we have FFD 2x2, 3x3x3, 4x4x4, box, cylinder, these options are there. So we use these elements in the different directions, means different ways of designs. So first I'll take as a FFD 2x2x2. I'll select this, then you'll get the segment lines in the two directions, means lengthwise 2, widthwise 2 and heightwise 2. So just click on FFD option. Here you will get the option that is control points. When you click control points, you can change using these controlling points. Okay. So we can move particular point. We can scale the object for the sloping purpose. Like that we can use. So this is 2x2x2. Then I'll take FFD 3x3x3. So this is you can use for the any bending purpose like that. Example, I will increase the length of this box and width will be less. So this is like this. And here I will use control points again. Here you are getting 3 directions control points. Now I will select the middle portion of vertices and I will move it downward. So when you are using bending for this, your box segment should be more. Just click on box. Here we can, I have increased the segments of this box. So now using control point, select this portion and move it downward. So you'll get the bend part. So this one you can use for the chairs. Then you use rotate. So sloping chairs like that we can use. Then FFD 4x4x4. This one I'll use for the pillow purpose. For designing the pillow, I'll use this option. Again, click on modifier FFD 4x4x4. You'll get the 4 segments points in the all directions, lengthwise, widthwise, and heightwise. First, activate control points. So here it is compulsory that you have to activate control points in all FFD usage. So first, I have selected the vertices of all corners, because pillow corners will be sharp always, right? So that's why select all corners, then use scale, reduce the scale. So I have reduced the scale. So you can reduce by 1 by 1 or you can reduce complete all sides. Then this portion I need somewhat curving. So select it, already have this taken somewhat curve. Select this portion somewhat inside. Then select these two opposite faces and take somewhat inside. Scaling should be inside. Like this. So you will get the curving. And now select middle face 4 vertices. All 4 vertices you should select. So now drag it to upside. So how much you want thickness, that much you can raise this. Then after creating this of the control point, and you'll get like this. Here the edges are somewhat sharp. You can use here for smoothness, turbo smooth. FFD, not FFD, sorry, turbo smooth. By turbo smooth, we can create somewhat smoothness. to pillow. This is how we can create the pillow using Ffd 4x4. Now next I'll go for the Ffd box. Here I am taking one plane and keep the segments for this and modifier Ffd box. In Ffd we have an advantage, that is we can set number of points, not exactly like 4x4 or 5x5, not like that. We can change as our requirement. So width wise I'll give some 7, length wise 4 and height wise also I'll keep as 7. So here I'll use like a undulations. We have 7 points. Using control points, here I'll take some undulations. How means? Like curtains, zigzag curtain type. I can move this part upside. Then by leaving one part, I am going to next part. Again, next point. Then here on the upside, we can't take this height level, just we can take somewhat down. Control points, I will get to make this zigzag part. For curtain purpose you can use. So if you create 1, 3 to 4 references, you can copy it for the next design purpose. Right, for continuation. Like this. Then last option we have, that is Ffd cylinder. So here I will use some cylindrical shapes for the Ffd cylinder. So example you can use for the pot design, like flower pot purpose, like that, creating pot. So if you want plot, then you have to use tube option, because you need open portion in the middle part. If we use cylinder, then we will not get the hollow portion inside. It will be solid. That's why I am taking here tube. So increase the segments. Now go to modifier. In modifier list, again Ffd cylinder. Here also we can check the number of segments. And here especially we need only vertical segments, because adjustment of shape will be from the vertical segments. So here I will change this height segments only, that is to 6. Okay. Now using control points again, scale it somewhat wide, it is somewhat inside, then this part is wide again. So you can use shape as you require. So of the control points. In this way you will get the cylindrical part shape. This is about the Ffd usage. Thanks for watching the video, and keep watching our YouTube channel for the updated designs in the 3ds Max. Thank you once again.